Hi, my name is Wendy Barnhart, and I'm a teacher at Wayne Township Preschool. Tonight I'm going to be sharing with you some activities that you can do with your children for the October Parent Night. Our focus for the October Parent Night is on math standards. These standards were taken from the Indiana Foundations. These standards align directly with the Indiana standards for your children. The first activity we will be doing tonight is based on the Mathematic Foundation number 3. This is called the data analysis. In this foundation, children will demonstrate the understanding of classifying. So to begin this activity, you will need to have your coins ready. For tonight's activities, I'm suggesting that you have a variety of coins. I personally am having 10 pennies, 10 nickels, 10 dimes, and 10 quarters. You will also need an egg carton. You could have a magic marker. And it would be nice to have either small pieces of paper such as Post-it notes or glasses when we're doing some classification. The first standard that we're going to be working on is Math Foundations 3 Data Analysis. We're going to be sorting our coins. I have my coins here, and in order to help the children to distinguish which coin to put in which pile, I'm going to use Post-it notes and give an example of what coins I want on each Post-it note. Then you will have your children take their coins and put them in the pile with the other coins that are the same. Now that your children have their coins sorted by type, we are going to count them. A simple egg carton can be used to help with one-to-one correspondence with counting. This activity utilizes Math Foundation 1 on numeracy, demonstrating a strong sense of counting. So one at a time, have the children put their coins in the egg carton. It's a good idea to have them always move from left to right and count orally as they do this. 1, 2. Our final foundation in math tonight is measurement, understanding measurement through description and comparison. This is something that you can do naturally with your children. If you're walking with them and holding their hand, and you can say, who's taller? Am I taller or are you taller? Who's shorter? Compare them to a sibling. Have them lay down on the floor and measure them with shoes and decide who has the most shoes is the tallest. Who has the least amount of shoes when measuring their body size is the smallest.
Hi, Wayne Township Preschool families. I'm here to show you another math activity, and this one involves measuring and a little bit of water play. So it might get messy. You might decide you want to do it outside. I'm going to do it inside because that's where I am right now. So the things that you'll need some containers. These are just things I had around the house. You'll need some measuring scoops like this. These are just my measuring cups from home. You will need some tape, painter's tape, masking tape. You could even use rubber bands. This will be because you'll want to make a line somewhere on the container. You'll also need, I'm going to pull my camera down so I don't pick it up. You'll need some water. I did put some food coloring in my water so it's a little easier to see, but you don't have to do that. So I'll leave my camera down so I can show you what we're doing. So it's called fill to the lines. And what you'll do is your child will take one of these measuring scoops. You can take a big one, you can take a little one. You might do the big one first and then try it with the little one. And you're going to take the tape, put it on your container, and then tell your child to fill it to the line. So they'll take their scoop and they'll count how many scoops of water it takes to fill to the line. So let's see. So this one will take 1. All right, it's not there yet. 2. Almost there. Let's see if it takes 3. It takes 3 scoops to fill it to that line. So if I have another container and I put another line on it, this one I just put low here. I think I'm going to try the little scoop this time and see how many it takes. So let's see, it takes 1, 2, 3, this might take a lot more, 4, 5, 6, oh, I think it took 6 scoops to fill it to that line. So that's just some early measuring things that you can do at home. So when you're finished and you have your containers filled, and you can fill as many containers as you want, and you can dump it out and do it again. It's lots of fun. So once you're done with that, you can take a piece of paper and your writing utensil, and you can have your child look at it and maybe draw the container like that and put the line on it for the tape. And then the big one right here took 3 scoops. So I'm going to put the number 3 right there, and that tells me it took 3 big scoops. And I might even draw a big scoop. So for my other container, it was a little bit smaller, so I can draw a little bit smaller container. I put the line down closer to the bottom, and it took 6 scoops. So I can write the number 6 there. See how I did that? But that one, remember, I used a little scoop. So I can draw a picture of a little scoop. So that's kind of how you can have your child show you what they did. So I hope you have lots of fun with those activities. Those are just some of the many math activities that you can do at home with your child. We hope you really enjoyed them. If you have any questions about any of them, please don't hesitate to reach out to your child's teacher. Thanks so much for watching.